Let's begin today's video. Today we will learn how to connect different apps with Canva and how to design mockups and enhance your designs. Connecting different social media platforms with Canva made my work more easier and convenient. So let's connect YouTube with Canva first. Choose your custom dimensions or any of the template you want to. And this is our workspace, and on the left hand side you will see some YouTube videos appearing. I will search my sister's channel and see how her videos are showing up here. This way you can use any YouTube video in your designs. Similarly, I have also connected my Instagram account with Canva, and when you will do so, your media will show up here like this and you can use your media in your designs too. Now, from the options available on the left hand side, choose the option Embed to use any URL link in your design. For this, I am opening my YouTube channel and I will be copying my video's link to show you an example. And this is how I am copying my link on my clipboard. And I will paste the link here. And see, my video appeared and it got embedded in my design. Let us gain some understanding about enhancing our designs. You can access these options from the features section, and alternatively, you can access them from your workspace too. Actually, it's quite easy to use these options from your workspace. And I will use my old design. Not really. I will add a page in it. And I will choose a photograph and show all the edits possible. Select the photo and choose the option Edit Image above, and you will see so many presets available on the left hand side. Here you can edit your image on the basis of brightness, contrast, saturation level, tint, shadows, etc. Here are some filters and presets available which offer you different color combination to choose as per your requirement. A mockup is something which is created to bring life to an idea, and it allows the designer to test how various visual elements work together. And you can choose to customize your mockups like these. As you will scroll down, you will see some different kind of presets available which you can use in your designs in different ways. I personally loved these frames and the shadow effect in this section. I hope you also loved exploring these features with me. And do let me know which feature do you like the most. Till then, keep designing.